Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can register your Makita Power Tools for warranty. So what you'll need to do is go to your makitauk.com, this is official website, and click on My Makita. Right here you'll need to create an account or login if you have one. So if you don't have one, just create an account, select if you're a private company or press, and basically right here put some info and then click register. After you've done those steps, you will need to log in. So basically I will log in to my Makita, and as you can see, this will show you like welcome and edit profile or add a tool. If you don't see this, it's not a problem, just click on my Makita again and this will show up again. So to register for warranty, click on add tool. And right here, as you can see, this is warranty registration, and you'll need to select purchased from store or web shop, then put Makita dealer, purchase date, invoice, and select a region, United Kingdom, Ireland, or other. And right here, you'll need to put model number, serial number, and notes. And after that, just click register, and that's how you register your Makita Power Tools for warranty. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm and subscribe to guide to everything.